So today, it arrived. The arrows point up over here, but this was the top. Alright. Hello, Jack. What's in the box? Yeah, bud. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the box. I'll do something with it. This doesn't seem like a unit of measurement, does it?
Oh! You got one of them.
I got one of them. Well, the strap wasn't meant to last.
Oh well.
Yes, Jack, that's a biscuit. You want the biscuit? Go get the biscuit. There you go. Oh, yes. Oh, the smell. Oh, that's a smell. It smells like new tires. Owner's manual and instructions. Okay, the only thing I need in here is the charger. I would like to. But I have to carry all my gear because I have overtime right after work. Oh, that's a lot heavier than I imagined. Quick start guide, I already know. Alright, where's the power button? That should be the charger. Oh, that's the charger, this is the button. Yes, the button. Alright, half battery. Turn you off. And then we'll meet you outside. Alright, so now we are outside. Buttons on this side. Lights up. Like half battery. Bring it up. Whoa, that's uncanny. Fascinating. I should wear a helmet.